In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable student ratings and reviews in Tutorlms. If you're an instructor or administrator looking to manage feedback on your courses more effectively, this step-by-step guide is for you. By following these instructions, you'll have more control over what appears on your course pages, ensuring that you can maintain the quality and focus of the content you provide to your students. Let's start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your site, including the Tutorlms plugin. Once you're there, look for the Tutorlms option in the side menu. Clicking on Tutorlms will open up a set of options specific to the plugin. Among these options, you'll find Settings. Go ahead and click on it to enter the Settings panel where you can customize various aspects of the Tutorlms functionality. Within this Settings panel, you will encounter several tabs. What you're looking for here is the Design tab. Clicking on the Design tab takes you into the realm of visual adjustments and course detail configurations. It's an important part of controlling how your courses are presented to your students. Now scroll down the page until you locate a section titled Course Details. This section houses numerous options related to what appears on your courses, such as reviews and ratings given by students. Look for the Review option. This is the specific feature that allows student ratings and feedback to display on your course pages. By toggling off the Review option, you effectively disable this feature, preventing students from leaving ratings and reviews on your courses. This can be particularly useful if you want to shield your courses from potentially biased feedback, or if you're looking to maintain a specific level of control over your course content's presentation. Once you've toggled the Review option off, the final step is to ensure that these changes take effect. To do this, simply click the Save Changes button, usually located at the bottom or top of the Settings panel. It's crucial to save your changes. Otherwise, you might find the review functionality is still active when returning to your course pages. And just like that, you have successfully disabled student ratings and reviews in Tutorlms. This action allows you to have more control over what feedback is publicly visible and can help maintain a clean and focused learning environment for your students. Remember, should you ever want to enable reviews and ratings again, you can easily return to this setting and toggle the review option back on. I hope you found this guide comprehensive and useful. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to leave a comment below or check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day.